up, y'all? It's day 3 and we are at Animal Kingdom. August 3rd. Today is my baby's 6th birthday. That's fishes. Happy birthday, baby! The legend gonna want to get up and look too.
I can't.
Oh, them swordfish. It is very hot, y'all. Very hot. But that's expected. And the reason why I feel like this is I put a ton of lotion on when I leave the house. I don't like being ashy, so this is what you get. A sweaty face.
Where you want to start off?
I want to go put our scan the wrist so we can be waiting in line for the safari. Take the ride where you sit in the thing and he rides you through the jungle. And I don't know, we gotta find it. We forgot to get the map. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Why everybody got their strollers for? Daddy of the birthday boy. Mommy of the birthday boy. Brother of the birthday boy. And there's the birthday boy. So we're about to ride this train and pet the animal.
No.
My baby boy is cute. Y'all check out the shoes. Your shoe? Turn them to the side so I can see. Oh, I like that. You see yours, the legend? We're on the train.
Just put it down like this.
You ready, dear?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Come on, some set. I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob.
I'm going to ride something else to go sell too. Safari.
Or the boat.
Viajes dentro del tren. Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados al respaldo de la banca. Y por favor, vigilen a los niños. Gracias.
Jungle friends and welcome aboard the Wildlife Express.
Watch yourself, guys. You gotta keep it on. They all this for the legend. Trying to walk around, look.
I see him.
Did he get out or he walking in?
The sheep, yeah. You going pet him?
Look at the sheep.
I thought you was the worker.
She's reading something. She's telling me.
Yeah. You scared? No. He said it smell awful. DA said it stink. He crying because I'm trying to avoid him. I'm avoiding the legend. It's the Billy Goat. Come over here.
Nice and tall because
you're not expecting snacks from the humans, just pets.
Look at the cow. Oh, he pooped. Babe, look at the llama. Look at the llama over there. Dia, you see the llama? You see him over there? And look at the cow right there. Can't really see them. They inside, baby. They said it's too hot. They do not want to come outside. Super hot, and the legend is crying for me. I do not want him. He's so heavy and he's making me even hotter. People are staring at me. It's very weird. Look at the legend. It's hot, the legend. I don't want you.
If we get in there, then have a night.
Yeah, wash those hands. Okay, come on.
Get up. Come on. Get up.
About to ride a safari in the woods. Look at the line though.
You're gonna sit on Papi's lap?
We got front row seats, birthday boy.
Jumbo, everybody. My name is Parker. I'll be your safari guide through the Harambe Wild truck, kind of hiding in the back up there. That is an okapi. Now, just by looking at this animal, who thinks it's related to the giraffe? Anyone? Giraffe? What about zebra? Who thinks zebra? So their closest living relative is the giraffe. That word prehensile means they can grab things. Their tongue is about 18 inches long. One way to tell apart males and the females. Males have these little things in their head called ossicones. Females do not have them. Ossicones kind of look like horns, but they're not horns. It's part of their skull. Now, ossicones are found in both men. Now, these greater kudu right here are females, and I can tell that because only the males have
like
horns.
deers.
There's a picture of a male on your animal spotting guide above you. They're the second tallest antelope species on the reserve from lip to shoulder, standing about 55 inches tall. Off to the left side of the truck at the top of the hill, you'll see the saddle-billed stork. They stand a little over 3 feet tall. Off to the right side of the truck, you're going to see the hippopotamus, weighing upwards of about 4,000 pounds, holding their breath for about 8 minutes at a time. Hippos can run faster on land than humans can. They're even faster than that in the water.
Look over there.
Now, a group of hippos is called a
There go the hippo right there.
hippos. They're going to spend most of their day in the water. The reason for that is because they do not have sweat glands like we do, so they'll come out at nighttime to do a lot of their grazing. Actually, have one of the biggest bite forces in the animal kingdom, being able to extend their jaws almost 180 degrees.
Oh, look at this Charlie.
Now, coming up on the left side of the truck is going to be my personal favorite animal on the reserve, which also has the largest bite force, crocodile.
Look at that.
Now, these animals are basically modern-day dinosaurs. They've been around for over 80 million years, having survived several mass
Some big
extinctions.
old crocodile.
In that time, they become masters of stealth and camouflage. They're ambush predators. Sometimes they'll track their prey for weeks at a time. They can move through knee-deep water without making a single ripple on the surface of the water. Off to the right side of the truck is going to be the baobab tree, also known as the tree of life, which is leafless 9 months out of the year. Called the tree of life because during times of drought, animals will flock to it.
Oh! And those are sharp teeth.
These are not related to the hyena. Something really cute they do is they wake up in the morning, each individual in the pack will greet each other before they get their day started. Do things throughout the day is they vote on what they do. How they vote, they sneeze when they vote yes. When they vote no, they just stay silent. You might have also heard their vocalization earlier. Kind of sounds like some of the squeaky toys you might give to your dogs.
Man, it's an African dog. That's my first time hearing that.
Hartman's mountain zebra. Now, because they are mountain zebra, they're a little bit more agile than some of the other zebra species. You might even notice a baby over here. He was born a couple months ago. When a baby is born, they are born with their legs fully grown. Now, this zebra species is the only zebra species that has a dewlap. That'll help regulate their body temperature. A group of zebras called a dazzle of zebra. A lot of people ask me, is a zebra black with white stripes or white with black stripes? Easiest way to tell is just by looking at their nose. Their nose is black, so therefore they are black with white stripes. The inside, it's a honeycomb structure. Through that honeycomb structure run blood vessels.
Uh-oh, look at
Now, there are 9 different species of giraffe found in Africa, but I can tell these are Maasai giraffe because of that rigid structure in its coat. That pattern is unique to each animal. It's kind of like your thumbprint. Now, a group of giraffe is called a tower of giraffe. And giraffe will actually spend most of their day eating. They only sleep about 30 minutes a day. They use their long, prehensile tongues to grab the leaves from the tops of the trees. These males weigh about 100 pounds, females weigh about 40 pounds. Another way to tell apart the males and the females would be the coloration. Much more brighter and bolder in the males than the females. Favorite fact about the males, they actually have pouches in their cheeks where they store snacks for later. And you'll notice their ears are roughly in the shape of the continent of Africa. That's one of the ways to tell apart African elephants from Asian elephants. It's going to be the shape of those ears. Now you can actually tell how an elephant is feeling based on what those ears are doing. Those ears are flared out. That means that they're upset. Probably a good idea to stay out of the way. Now unfortunately, it does sad me to tell you about 96 elephants are poached each day. And unfortunately, at that rate, elephants could go extinct in this century. As our friends over in Dino Land will tell you, extinction is forever. Now coming up on the left side of the truck is going to be the greater flamingo, the tallest of the flamingos, standing about 4 feet tall. Now when they're born a grayer coloration. It takes about a year or 2 after they're born before they fully get those pink feathers. So how do they get them? It's actually, a rhino is the wide rhino or wide-lipped rhino, so they're grazers. They're using those wide lips to be able to grab as much grass as possible per bite. Up to the left side of the truck, you're going to see the Nigerian dwarf goat, which only stands about 2 feet tall fully. Birds are featured in that show. Plan to watch.
Yeah, the legend went to sleep on the ride, car ride. I'm walking on sunshine. Wow. Look, they can draw the kid, This is amazing what they got. Look at the big dinosaur. We gotta take a picture about a big dinosaur. We're about to go inside of the tree. Walking through the tree. Well, inside of the tree. glasses. Get your glasses.
Throughout today's performance, please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Lick.
Fireflies! Fireflies! Up here! No, over here. Way over here. Way over. A little more. Little more. Little. Oh. Less. Perfect. Oh, and hi. Hi. Hello. And welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300.
Y'all had to run out of there with him. He wasn't having it. Like, come on, you a party pooper. I wanted to see it. But he has tubes. If you have watched my vlog, then you know he's on my vlog when he have tubes. So loud noises like that, it really irritates him. He's not used to the noises and stuff like that. Baby. There's the treehouse, y'all. It's so nice, y'all. I didn't know that you can literally go inside of it. So if you ever at Animal Kingdom, you can go inside of it, and there's a movie in 4D, and it's like, it's really awesome. Like, it's so awesome. I just couldn't finish it because, like I said, my baby ears is more important than a movie. As long as the birthday boy and his daddy got to, you know, finish it. But I've seen some of it, and like I said, like, if you ever come to Animal Kingdom, don't miss out on it. It's nice. It's a nice experience. It's only 10 minutes. Yeah, but it's great. So I'm gonna get to it, expressions and stuff when they come out, and I'll be back. Thank you, baby. That's my honey bun. All in all, y'all, like, this trip has been amazing. I'm so happy that my son is enjoying his birthday at Disney World. Like, this is a place that he's been asking to go for a really long time, since he was about, maybe like before he was 1 year old, saying I'm making it happen. Like, it just means so much to me and his daddy making it happen. So I'm just glad to be recording it so he have memories to look back on. Listen, I didn't even go to Disney World when I was small. So this is my first trip ever, and I'm like 29 years old. So at least he can say he's been when he's small. He can decide if he want to go when he's older, okay? It's just like exhausting. It's very hot. I'm more of a water park person, so yeah. We went to Volcano Bay. Make sure y'all check out Volcano Bay. It's a nice. Scared? No, I wasn't scared. The legend was scared. That stuff was flowing and everything. It was fire.
That's a spray water on us.
For real?
Bug spray.
Dang. He said it sprayed water and bug spray. I seen it was spraying, but that's when the legend wanted us to get out of there. So we had to leave.
Ice cream time.
Yeah, ice cream time. What's up, guys? We had Dave and Buster's. The birthday boy over there. Come over here. So we had Dave and Buster's. We just got done eating. Tell them. I don't want to talk to you. Tell them where you just came from.
The king over the castle?
No, Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom.
And then now you just finished eating. What you ate?
I ate pizza and lemonade.
Strawberry lemonade. And then what you about to do now that you're done eating?
I'm about to play at the arcade.
And let me show them. It's right over there. We got Papa Bell over there eating chicken strips. His fave, #1. He stank. The Legend Pool, we're about to go in the bathroom and change him, and then we're going to head to the arcade to play some games, and then we're going to go home and we're going to go swimming. And then tomorrow is our last thing that we do. Here we go. Oh, 3 pins. You got 3 pins down.
switching. You heard? Let the people really see. Let me see y'all can see.
Let that switch. That switch.
Let me see a little bit.
Hey, let that switch.
Man, we was doing this thing at first. Y'all see. Why? No, last shot was him. He was the last shot. That wasn't.
Last shot.
Last shot. Last. Oh, that was close. He pulled. Come on, the legend. Y'all about to take a helicopter ride, my God. Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. So hold my camera. about to sing happy birthday to the birthday boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear dear. Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
6.
How old are you?
6.
How old are you?
6.
Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
You gotta make your wish. You gotta think of it too.
Yay! Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6?
Stop!
Happy birthday, my baby.